Nobody knows, we stay good friends, we get to.
So yeah, y'all, we're back. We doing it. I don't know how much miles we've walked. We probably did a mile already. But like I said, I need to delete some stuff off of my Apple Watch because it's saying it's out of storage, and I've already deleted everything. Good morning. You. He barks at everything. We got the stupid ass bark collar on. That shit don't work. Because he figures out how to shake his neck. But I'm going to trick him. I got plans for that bark collar. I done paid money for that. So, yeah, we figure we'll take this route to the dog park instead of actually going to the dog park first. And then, we'll be just doing us in the morning. So, yeah, he'll stay home tomorrow. Because once we take him home tonight, it's a nice bath. And, yeah. So, oops. People don't tell you where they coming from behind you, next to you, across from you. They just drive or ride their bicycle so they can hit you. Come on, Stinks. Oh yeah, look at the view. It's a whole river running through out there. It's a little dirty, but yeah, they're catching. But yeah, there's little cutouts you can walk down. Let me see. Hold up, babe. If you guys don't know by now, I am an earth sign and I enjoy nature. Nature has been such an improvement. Look at over here. You can look down, all the way down there, and you can see. But yeah, we're heading back up. Well, I'm heading back up. They kind of left me there. And so, hey, cute stuff. There goes my guys. Go, Benji, go. Let's get our run on. But yeah, I'm gonna talk to you guys in a minute. I'll meet you back at the dog park. You know what? Actually, hold that handy because I didn't unpack my bag. I was like, damn, I ain't got nothing to hold in. Area. And he's smart. He knows which water to drink and which water not to drink. I'm telling you, he's a river rat. He is. He's like a huge river rat. Like, yeah. Oops. Okay. This area is dirty, like stinky. But look at it. It's a nice little cute waterfall area. Don't think you need to swim in it. But people do come out here and probably shower in it. Look at the river rat. It's not too bad. So that, yeah. made it. You gotta, oh. So, look at our boo. He got to sniff everybody's behinds. Even Benji, what are you eating in there? Yep, he's sniffing. Yeah, he has a Benji face and a Benji body because Benji has that. He's just bigger. I wonder if Benji's parents look like that. He looks just like our baby. And just like that, guys, we have officially done 4.5 miles. I'm tired. You guys can see that I'm tired. The battery for my camera died, so we're heading back anyway because we're where we started. So the doggies are trying to say hi to each other. Look at Benji, found him a little friend. She's a cutie. Hi, Missy. Come on. You got a friend? Yeah, go on. But yeah, we're back where we started, and so we're gonna head back to the car, drop Benji back at the house. Use the bathroom really bad. So we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna head out, grab some lunch, and then we're going to head to Best Buy and what else? Best Buy, and then we'll just grab a few little groceries, like I said earlier. Then head back home. My earring fell out, so it's in my bag. I'm rocking one earring like when I was in high school in the 90s. So, but yeah, I had to take my shirt off. So, Yep. So, yeah, because it got hot up in here. It got real hot. Like when I tell you real hot, it got real hot up in here. I forgot to bring my arm sweatband thing. Yeah, so tomorrow when we come back to the trail, I'm gonna have them on. Because one thing is, we're starting back our weight loss journey. And what I like to do is come outside, get back into the habit of walking for a while, lose about 2 to 3 pounds, and then I get back on the bike. Because sometimes it's hard getting back on the bike when you haven't done it for a while. And I haven't done it for a couple months. So I need to get back on it. But yeah. So that's the plan. Let me show you some beautiful. Let's roll that beautiful bean footage. That's not my slogan. That's that Bush Beans slogan. But, ooh, see the kitties. And that's the other angle there. And you could come and sit and picnic. They have a little picnic table over there. But yeah, back to the car. Look at him. Let me tell you, he looks for me everywhere. If I'm not there, he's gonna stop and look for his mama with his crazy stuff. Anywho, I'll talk to you guys later. I'm real fucking tired, but it was worth it watering the pup's bowl. I do believe he wants water, but yeah, I just wanted to come and tell you guys good night. I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend, and I will see you guys tomorrow.